Hello and welcome to modifying a receivable or RE transaction in order to correct an invoice in AZ360. We will be demonstrating this process in one of our test environments, and the screen has been zoomed in for optimal viewing. In our current training scenario, an agency discovers that one of their recurring RE transactions in final phase for customer Joan Brett needs to be corrected. We will locate the RE in question and will create an RE modification to correct the errors. Once complete, we will then navigate to the Receivable Search or RESTA page to view the results. We have already logged into the AZ360 application, and the Accounts Receivable business role has been selected in the top right of the screen. To get started, we will type in RE in the global search menu and select Receivable from the drop-down options. In the ID field that generates, we will enter the number for the RE transaction. We will be utilizing a wildcard asterisk to minimize our typing in this scenario. So we will enter 23 wildcard asterisk 126, click search, and the RE transaction will generate in the grid at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and click the blue hyperlink to open the RE. To create a modification version of this transaction, click the page 3-dot menu, and under primary actions, select modify. Notice that the version is now 2, and the function is modification. Navigate to the accounting tab. You'll note that there are 2 accounting lines at $500 each. The modifications on this RE call for us to update this amount to $300. We'll then click the expand caret on the line, and we will have to put in a reason for the change. So go ahead and click the pick list, and we will navigate down to reason reduce receivable amount, or REDRE. Go ahead and click OK. And on the second accounting line, we will need to update the line type amount from A to D. D being the admin fee instead of principal. Click OK. And again, just like with the first line, we will need to enter a reason. So click the pick list. But in this case, it'll be a reclassification or reclass. Okay, click OK. All right, go ahead and validate the transaction to check for errors. The transaction has validated successfully, and submit the transaction to your next level supervisor for approval. We will pause the instructional video momentarily while we approve the transaction in the background. Okay, the transaction has been approved. You can tell because it is now in a final status. Next, we will be navigating to the RESTA page to see the results. So type in RESTA in the global search menu, and then select Receivable Search from the drop-down menu. On the RESTA search page in the customer field, if you enter the customer number, we will be using the wildcard asterisk, so AD10188, and then click Apply. You can now see all RE transactions for this customer in the grid at the bottom of the page. Okay. We are going to go ahead and sort by due date, and we will verify the changes that we made to our transaction by opening it up here from the grid, navigating to the accounting tab. Notice that accounting line 1 now shows as $300, not $5. The reason being REDRE, or reduce receivable amount. And then on accounting line 2, the line type is showing D for admin fee, and the reason is reclass or reclassification. And we have completed the process of modifying an RE transaction in order to correct an invoice in AZ360. Go ahead and click the home icon to return to the home page.